Good morning to all. This is Samashivarati, IIT Chemistry faculty. In last class we discussed about bases, classification of bases we discussed. Today we are going to discuss preparation of bases. Preparation of bases. In this one, first direct combination of metal and oxygen. Okay, direct combination of metal and oxygen. Here generally metals combined with oxygen. Already we discussed this example. Magnesium bonds in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is magnesium metal combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Okay. Metals combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Metal is a metal. So metal is magnesium. Magnesium combined with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is a basic oxide. Okay. Like this, sodium combines with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Okay. Okay. Sodium metal combined with the oxygen to form sodium oxide. Like this, some metals are combined with oxygen to form its metal oxides. Okay. This is one preparation method of bases. Okay. Second one, the action of water on metal. The action of water on metal. See here, action of metal on water or action of water on metal. See, when metals are combined with water, it gives metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Generally, sodium combined with water to form sodium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Sodium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Potassium also like this gives sodium oxide and hydrogen gas. But some metals only gives like this. But magnesium metal react with water. Magnesium do not react with the normal water. It is steam. Steam reacts to form magnesium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay. See here, when magnesium react with steam to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Like this, all metals, some of the metals are react with normal water, some of the metals are react with hot water or steam. Okay, these are the examples for water react with the metals. Third one, metal oxides dissolve in water. Okay, metal oxides react with the water. Okay, metal oxides. See, action of water on metal oxides. We can say like this. Okay, here examples. When metal oxide react with water, suppose for example we are taking Na2, this is metal oxide, sodium oxide combines with water to form sodium hydroxide. To form sodium hydroxide. Sodium oxide also having basic in nature, the basic nature substance. This is also base. Bases dissolve in water to form sodium hydroxide. This base is dissolved in water. That's why this we are calling alkali also. Alkali also. This. Next another example. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide combined with water to form magnesium hydroxide. To form magnesium hydroxide. Okay, see, when magnesium oxide also having basic in nature, this basic nature oxide dissolved in water to form it's the hydroxide. This is one of the method to prepare its hydroxides. Okay, next one, decomposition of some metal carbonates. Decomposition of metal carbonates. Okay, see here. For example, we are taking a zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate. This is zinc carbonate. When we are heating to form zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. Zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. Zinc carbonate, this is a metal carbonate. When we are heating, it gives zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, zinc oxide have a basic in nature. Okay, this is having basic in nature. And one more example, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. When we are heating CaCO3, it gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. See here, this zinc carbonate we have common name calamine. Calamine is nothing but zinc carbonate. And CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate also have common name. This we are calling limestone. Limestone. Okay. See here, calcium carbonate. When we are heating to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. Zinc carbonate when we are heating to give zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. See here, metal oxides, they have basic in nature. Here we discuss first one, direct combination of metal and oxygen. When metals are combined with oxygen to form their metal oxides, these metal oxides having basic in nature. And second one, we discuss metals are combined with water to form the metal oxides and hydrogen gas. Okay. Next, third one, metal oxides react with water. Okay, action of water on metal oxides. Metal oxides react with water to form their hydroxides, metal hydroxides. Example here, sodium oxide combined with water to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. And magnesium oxide combined with water, dissolved in water to form magnesium hydroxide. This magnesium hydroxide we are calling milk of magnesia. Common name of magnesium oxide, milk of magnesia. Okay, common name of sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. Caustic soda. These are preparation of bases. Okay. Next we are going to discuss uses of bases. Uses of bases. Uses of bases. Okay. See, first one, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is its formula is MgOH. It is used in manufacture of soap. Manufacture of soap. Manufacture of soap. And it is also used in to prepare paper. That means this sodium hydroxide used in paper industry to make a wood pulp. Okay. Next second one. Potassium hydroxide. Its formula is KOH. Its formula is KOH. This potassium hydroxide also used in manufacture of soap, and it is used in alkaline batteries. Alkaline battery. Alkaline battery. See here, sodium hydroxide. Common name already we discussed. Caustic soda. This potassium hydroxide common name is caustic potash. Caustic potash. Okay, see, next the third one. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is CaOH twice. CaOH twice. This we are calling lime water. Common name is lime water or slaked lime. Slaked lime. Okay. Calcium hydroxide is used for neutralize the acidic soil. Neutralize the acidic soil, and it is used to wash the building. Whitewashing purpose also we use. Use it for whitewashing. Whitewash the buildings. Whitewash the buildings. And it is also used as to manufacture of mortar. Manufacture of mortar. Next one. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide formula is MgOH twice. Okay, its common name is milk of magnesium. Milk of magnesium. Generally, milk of magnesium is used as antacid. Antacid means anti-acid. It is neutralize acidity in our stomachs. It is used for acidity in our stomach. Okay. Next one more. Aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide formula is KLOH thrice. Okay. It is used as foaming agent in fire extinguisher. Foaming agent in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. And next, last one. ammonium hydroxide. And there is NH4, NH4OH. Generally, it is used as a window cleaner, and grease stain removal. Okay, see, these are the uses of bases. Once you can observe, first one, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacture of soap, and potassium hydroxide also used in manufacture of soap, and alkaline that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is neutralize the acidity of soil, okay, and used for whitewashing and to preparation of mortar also. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice, we are calling milk of magnesium. It is used as an antacid to neutralize the acidity. Aluminum hydroxide also used as an antacid and as well as a foaming agent in a fire extinguisher. Okay, here one important question is there. What are the pairs of antacids? Okay, magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxides are antacids. Okay, these two are antacid pair. Last one, ammonium hydroxide is present in window cleaner. Okay, and it is also used for removing green stains. Okay, these are the uses of bases. Thank you.